talk about IT culture and society. Here the seven major trends for the 2017s are as follows. Number 1, lot and smart home technology. Number 2, augmented reality and virtual reality. Number 3, machine learning. 4, automation. 5, big data. 6, physical digital integration. 7, everything on demand. These follows are very important of 7 components of IT culture and society. Slide 1. Internet Things of Love. Definition. The Internet of Things, commonly known as LAN, refers to a system or network where physical devices, objects, and everyday items are connected together. These items are linked to one another, usually wireless, which means they can communicate and share information without using wires.
Capabilities of IoT or Internet of Things. IoT needs a strong internet connection so devices can communicate and share data with each other. This allows information to be sent and received quickly. Aside from connectivity, IoT can also connect to technology with business process, helping improve operations like manufacturing, security, and automation. For example, sensor can turn lights automatically or monitor equipment performance. Overall, IoT makes systems smarter, faster, and more efficient in everyday life and business. First, integration across technology and business. IoT connects technology with business operation to make work easier and more efficient. Sensors are used to collect data in systems like manufacturing, security, automatic lighting. The type of technology used depends on how complex the task is. Software help process the data and control devices, while connections like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow devices to communicate, and IoT platform combines all these parts, making it easier to use data, improve productivity, and predict how system will perform. Second, data analysis and synchronization. IoT helps organization make better decisions by analyzing the data collected from devices. For this work, the data must be properly synchronized or organized so it can be shared across different parts of the business such as management, operation, and customer service. When all data is connected and updated, companies can understand the situation better, respond quickly, and improve overall performance.
Security and service. Security and service is a IoT involved a vast number of connected devices and large amount of data collection. Security is a top priority to ensure safety. Devices are grouped into different networks, each with its own access roles. Some networks are more restricted than others, but this is done in a way that still allows devices to connect and work together smoothly without disrupting the overall application of IoT. Application of IoT is a technology help business work more efficiently and boost productivity, so more and more organizations are using it. Number 1. Smart cities. IoT is using to manage traffic, handle waste disposal, and monitoring communities to keep residents safe. Number 2. Connected industry. Connected industry like oil and gas are leading the way in using IoT. It allows remote control and monitoring of heavy machinery and equipment from the manufacturing stage all the way to production. Number 3. Connected building is use IoT to automate systems like lighting, heating, and cooling. This helps reduce energy use and lower costs. Number 4. Connected cars. As cities become smarter, new cars are now equipped with sensors and internet connection. Most projects focus on checking the car health. Number 5. Smart energy. This is project focus in building smart grid that can better use renewable energy and manage infrastructure more efficiently.
Challenges of IoT. But while things may look good using LUT, there are issues raised in adapting it fully. Texas Instruments etc. 2016 has indeed identified 6 challenges in its implementation. First, requirements. System requirements. System requirements in IoT vary depending on the industry. For example, the food industry needs temperature monitoring for perishable goods, while the automobile industry focuses on mechanical accuracy. This means each industry has different needs for IoT systems. Second, connectivity. Connectivity is a challenge in IoT because devices use different types of connections such as wired and wireless and various protocols. This makes it difficult to ensure that all devices can communicate properly. Third, power requirements. Power requirements are a challenge since many IoT devices rely on batteries. The main concern is how to extend battery life, especially for devices used in important areas like healthcare, disaster response, and safety. Fourth, security. Security is one of the major challenges in IoT because sensitive data like patient records and employees' information can be at risk. It is important to protect systems from hacking, viruses, and other cyber threats. 5. Development. Development in IoT is challenging because creating a smart device requires skills and knowledge. The goal is to help more developers, not just experts, improve their capabilities to build more IoT solutions.
Challenges of LUT service. Internet of Things LUT collects large amount of the data from devices like sensors, smart machine, and mobile device. The challenge is where to store, manage, and process this data. To solve this problem, combines useful service that store data, process information, connect device. I provide complete system and solution. Example: a smart farm use sensors to measure soil moisture, and data is sent to cloud storage. And farmers service alert on their phone. Watering system turn on. Automation means using computer and technology to perform tasks automatically without human effort. Automation helps save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiently, increase productivity. Automations, while can be used in business operation, monitoring system, and customer service and manufacturing. Example, increase of manually recording sales. Of system automatically record sales and update inventory. Automation, robot process automation and artificially intelligence defines robotic process automation as software robots and automate repetitive digital tasks. These robots capture data, processing transactions and responses, communicate with system, and there are software robots, not physical robots. Example of RPA, automatically sending customer confirmation emails. Number 2, processing online orders automatically.
Process automation. Process automation is basically using software to handle repetitive tasks that people usually do manually. For example, this system can automatically handle things like paying employees, updating customer information, or enrolling students in online class. In short, it is all about using technology to make routine business processes faster and much easier to manage. IT support management. IT support management uses robotic process automation or RPA to make maintaining complex computer systems much simpler. If any part of a system breaks down, the software immediately alerts the IT team so they know exactly what is wrong. Example is how large buildings use automated emergency systems to keep people safe. If a fire alarm goes off or an emergency door opens, the system instantly identifies the exact location of the event. This allows staff to respond to emergency much faster because they know exactly where help is needed. Automated assistants. Automated assistants are smart systems designed to understand and respond to human language instead of complex computer code. You can also see this in technology and banking, where automated phones systems guide you to your requests without needing a human operator. This assistant asks for specific details like your account number, which you can provide using your voice or your phone's keypad. Once the system receives your information, it quickly processes your request to give you the answers you need, such as your current account balance.
Sensors. Sensors are devices that measure physical conditions such as heart rate, temperature, and light. So, sensors are devices that affect or measure physical conditions like temperature, light, motion, or pressure. They collect data and send it to other devices or systems so actions can be done automatically. So, in a simple terms, sensors help machines feel and understand their environment. So they can also connect to other devices, phones or computer, like monitor data, control system, and automate tasks. So meron ding types of sensors. First is analog, continuous data, and the second is digital. So, meron ding examples of sensor. First is temperature sensor, used in aircon or refrigerators. Second naman is infrared sensor. Detects motion, automatic doors. Meron ding ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor, and proximity sensor. So next is influence of IT on culture and social behavior.
Influence of ICT on culture and society. Technology, especially ICT information and communication technology, has a strong impact on our cultural and daily lives. It brings both positive and negative effects. First, online reviews how people make decisions easily. For example, before watching a movie or reading a book, people can check reviews from others. This makes choosing a button more convenient. So second, social media and blogging influence how people behave, especially when it comes to the food and lifestyle. Many people take pictures of their meals and post them online instead of focusing on spending time with family.
Influences on social behavior. Number 1 is cyberbullying. It is when someone uses digital devices like phone or computers to bully, harass, or upset others. It involves sharing posts or private information of a person to intentionally embarrassment or cause pain. In many situations, this type of online harassment can even cross the line into becoming a serious legal or criminal offense. Number 2 is netiquette. It is basically just a fancy word for using good manners when you are communicating online. Whether you are sending an email, posting on a forum, or using social media. It is about treating others with respect. This is really important because online communication is non-verbal, meaning people cannot see your face or hear your tone of voice. By practicing good etiquette, you help to make sure your messages are clear, kind, and professional for everyone involved.
Influence of social behavior. Be careful in tagging someone either in your status post or photos. You may also restrict someone from tagging you in your posts and photos. Always think of your safety as well as other personal boundaries. So when you are tagging someone in a post or photo, remember to respect their boundaries. And it's like tag your IT rule. Be careful who you're tagging and what you're sharing. You can also control who tags you in posts or photos, and you can check your settings to limit tagging or review.
Professional ethics. When etiquette are applied to all netizens, IT professionals specifically follow an ethical practice as they are frontliners, support, and back-end ICT. So, professionals serving as frontliners, support staff, and back-end ICT specialists follow a rigorous code of professional ethics ranging from general netiquette. Netiquette refers to informal online etiquette rules for all internet users, such as being polite, avoiding spam, respecting privacy in posts, and dot trolling. In contrast, IT ethics are formal, enforceable standards designed to protect society, ensure system integrity, and uphold professional accountability due to high state, natural, and ICT rules.